What's going on, everybody? King Friday here again, and I hope you're all staying glossy today. Now, we all know about lecture capture, but there's always something new to learn. I have something to share with you that I just learned about, and it's called high flex learning. That's spelled HYFLEX. It's very exclusive. It's like the hip cousin of online learning. It takes everything that we learned about remote learning in 2020 and then makes it even better, especially for charter schools. It's all about giving students more options and allowing remote learning as well as in-person learning strategies to not just coexist, but to actually work together. This gives educators as well as techie nerds such as myself a new reason to rethink lecture capture and how it can serve the remote audience. Now, everybody has their own way of doing this, but there's one brand new product from Lumens that is actually really making waves, and I've been waiting on this one for a long time. It's the Lumens LC100N media processor, which is perfect for media recording and live streaming as well. And you know what? I'm not even an educator, but I am super stoked about this product. If I could sum up everything I love about the LC100N, it's actually versatility. So there are several features like 3G SDI, HDMI, USB connections. You can pretty much capture any video source that you have in 1080p, 60 FPS. And of course, we can't forget about the XLR inputs that are on the back of the unit to be able to allow you to plug in wired mics or even a wireless pack. And the best part is that you can do all of your arranging of these sources right on screen using their onboard designer. You can easily arrange and switch between them right here on the unit, and honestly, it's incredible. They call it the GUI director. It's pretty awesome. But here's the thing that I'm super excited about is that the new LC100N has NDI HX2 built in. Now you can capture video sources from anywhere on campus as long as they're on your NDI network. And real quick, if you don't have NDI on your school's network infrastructure, you need to build one right now. It opens up a whole new level of possibilities. I promise you won't regret it. The LC100N is an absolute game changer because you no longer have to be in the same room as your sources. It allows you to be able to put a couple of these in a rack and then be able to pull whatever NDI sources you want at whatever time you want. And a nifty trick too here is that you don't have to even have the sources on campus. You can even use NDI Bridge to be able to pull sources from somewhere else. You could do guest lectures, you could do sports from other schools. There are all kinds of things that you could potentially do. So real quick, let's talk about control for a second. So Lumens absolutely kills it with this one. So you can actually use the Lumens deployment tool to plan and schedule everything with ease. So if you want to stop or start a unit remotely, you can actually do that here. There's a user-friendly remote control, or you can even plan your live streams or auto records to platforms like Panopto if you want to. It's like Lumens is challenging me to find something that the LC100N can't do for a classroom, and honestly, I'm coming up short. And here's a cool bonus. You actually don't need one LC100N for every single classroom. So if you needed to record a basketball game and then you needed to record a lecture right after that, it's easy peasy. So basically, you can just enter in your date and time, choose all of your NDI sources, and you're good to go. So now every department can have whatever they need captured. And to get you started, Lumens has an LC100N bundle that also comes with some PTZ cameras already there. So in my opinion, the LC100N is amazing for lecture capture. It pretty much handles everything that I want it to handle. It's perfect for anybody in the education market who wants to have full control over their lecture capture, but don't want to get bogged down in the minutia of exactly how everything works. Plus now, the entire classroom and the entire campus can benefit even if you bought just one of the LC100Ns, but I think you're gonna definitely want more than one once you see how cool this is for yourself. All right, that's a scoop for the LC100N. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comments. I answer every single one. And if the LC100N is super interesting to you, I would go and call your JB&A representative right now because we've been excited about this for a long time. We knew that it was coming and it's finally here. So everybody's gonna want one, so grab them while they're still here. So thank you so much for tuning in. Stay glossy. I'll catch you on the next one.